The dawn of the plastic age begins here, at the source of crude oil, the primary ingredient for all virgin plastic.
Here in the molding facility, the process is fully automated. This robotic arm precisely extracts the newly
It's beautiful out here today.
I know, the light is perfect for reading.
Wet plastic flakes are fed into the rapidly spinning drum. Centrifugal force removes the water, leaving the flakes merely damp. The blended plastic material pours from the mixer's discharge valve into the large feed hopper of a towering twin-screw extrusion line.
The intermeshing screws rotate, conveying, melting, and homogenizing the plastic blend under intense heat and pressure.
The automated vacuum system efficiently draws the dried recycled pellets from the central dryer, delivering them directly into the injection molding machine's hopper.
Inside the injection unit, the recycled pellets are fed into a rotating screw within a heated barrel. Inside the mold, the hot plastic begins to cool. As the heat transfers to the water-cooled
The newly molded chairs travel single file on a slow-moving conveyor through the cooling tunnel. Ambient air fans help them reach a uniform temperature.
The automated trimming station uses a pneumatic fixture to cleanly shear off the excess sprue and runner system, sending the waste to be reground.
This stretch wrapping process secures the chairs firmly, utilizing a crisscrossing web of film for maximum stability during shipment.
The arrival at the regional distribution center marks a critical shipment point, where goods are transferred from long-haul trains to awaiting trucks.
The build quality is impressive. And certified recycled content. That's perfect.
Here is your receipt, ma'am.
The chairs didn't fit in the bags.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I love what they've done with this space. The furniture is stunning.
I know, and it's all made from recycled materials. It feels surprisingly comfortable.
I like these recycled benches. They look really modern.
They do. And look, our bus is pulling up now.
As the display explains, this is the recycled story. From waste to design, proving sustainability can be sleek.
And if you look closely, you'll see the infrared sensors identifying the different materials.
Wow, look how fast they move.
From the garden to the cafe, the office to the playroom, the utility of recycled plastic has many faces.